Hello everyone, I am Tasneem. Welcome back to my channel The Basic Point. So if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell button. And please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you have any queries, you can comment in the comment section. So today I am going to talk about the Google Form. Google Forms are widely used to create surveys easily and quickly since they allow you to plan events, ask questions to your employees or clients, and collect uh, diverse types of information in a simple and effective way. So first I'm going to open Google Form. You can make any kind of form using Google Form. So here are some template. You can use any kind of template. You can use any kind of template and edit your template according to your topic. I'm going to use a blank Google form. So first, this is the title for your Google form. Okay. Then you can add any description like what the form is about. Then you can add any option. Okay. So you can add any picture, or you can add what kind of question you want to do. You want to make, like you want to make a option for name. Then name is a short answer, right? So there are many options like short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload, different options. So as name is for short answer, so I have choose short answer. And then if you feel like that this is a required field, you can choose this option, that. So by clicking it, uh, whenever the user started to fill up this form, they must have to fill up this form before submitting. So this is a required field. So now I am going to add a new question by clicking here. I'm going to add a new question. Email. So email is a short answer, so I'm going to, so they recognize it as a short answer, so I'm going to add this required field. Then gender. For option 1, sorry, oops, if you want to remove any option, what you have to do, you just have to click here. Okay. Prefer not to send, option 4, add other, so it's a checkbox. So I'm making it a required and moving to the next. Okay, so I'm leaving it as a multiple choice. And actually there are different options. You can also have option like file upload, like your picture. Okay, then there is option for file upload. So whenever any person want to respond this Google form, they must have to sign into their Google account, and then they are able to upload any kind of file. Okay, so I'm going to continue. Okay, allow only specific file type. You can allow only one kind of specific file type, then you can click here. Like PDF, if you only allow image, you can check image. If you allow PDF, you can also tick PDF. If you allow video, you can also tick here. So as image is a image type, so I'm going to tick here image. Then you can also maximum number of files, so how many files they can upload. They can upload 1 file, 5 file, or 10 file. I'm going to choose this one, only one. So you can also specify the size, maximum size, so not more than 10 megabyte. I'm going to click here 100 megabyte. Okay, then if you want to make this file is required, you can click here. Okay, okay, you can also import questions. Okay, so you can import questions from here to this form by click all the questions you want to import, then click here, import questions. Then your question will be imported to. If you want to delete any option, what you have to do, you have to select that option and click here, delete. And if you want to copy any option, what you have to do, you have to select the option and click here to make a duplicate of that option. You can also upload any kind of image. You can insert image and ask any question. You can browse or drag a file here, or you can also use Google image search, or you can also put any URL of any image. And there is an option for camera. I'm going to upload an image here. Then you can add question about this image here. Okay, in this way you can add image, you can add any kind of question, you can also add any kind of video, you can also add some section, like you can add any section like section 2. This section is about second section. You can again add questions. Okay, now you can customize your theme. Like this theme is in purple in color, you can make it green, you can make it blue, you can make it gray, any color you want. You can also change the font style. You can also choose image. You can also choose image. Then image will be inserted here. Okay, and here is an option like send. You can send this form to another person using email, or you can use this link. I'm going to short this URL, then copy, and you can give this link to anyone else, and they are able to answer this Google form. So I'm going to open a new window and try to answer this Google form. And so this is our Google form that we previously made. So this is our name option. Okay, here is option for clear section. In that case, your chosen option will be gone, and this is kind of refreshing the thing. Form option, this is add picture. You can add picture. Then add file for your NID. I'm not going to import my NID. I'm going to select a picture. And as we have added a second section, we have to simply press the next for the second section, and except one question, and this is the question from second section. I'm going to add select option 2, and then there is an option for submit and back. I'm going to submit this form, and now I'm going to show you how the responses will look like when from the host side. You can submit another response. So from the host side, look, there is one response. So I'm going to see, you can see the response. Okay, you can now find my response. So from this option responses, you can show all the response. Okay, and you can also see the questions individually, and you can also individual response. You can see individual response. Okay, and there is another way to see response. Create spreadsheet. Create. Now your all the responses will store in a spreadsheet, and you can see all the responses from your spreadsheet. See, a new columns has been created for different questions and sections, and all the responses will be 2, 3, 4, 5. All your responses will be stored here in a spreadsheet, so that it will be more easier to keep track of my responses. So in this way you can create your Google form, you can submit your Google form, and many more options. You can find your Google form in a Excel sheet. So that was all for today for this video. I'm going to end this video up. So before ending up, I want to request you to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell button. And if you like my videos, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, and you can also comment in the comment section. Bye.